Hello children, welcome to Easy Mathsy YouTube channel. Today we are going to see about algebraic equations. Let us see first what is the equation is. An equation is where an algebraic expression is equal to something which might be a number or another algebraic expression. For example, 3a plus 6 is equal to 12. This is one kind of algebraic equation, which is having only one variable. Even one more we'll see 2 into y square minus 6 is equal to 3y plus 8. These are all examples of algebraic equation. Let's learn how to generate algebraic equations from a statement problem. Here we have one problem here. Danny is 4 years younger than Sarah. The sum of their age is 48. How old is Danny? Now see, we are going to derive equation only, not solving. Of course, we can solve. We are going to derive equation. Let us derive the equation for this question. Danny is 4 years younger than Sarah. That means, let us say Danny is D. D is equal to younger than Sarah. That means S minus 4. Let us say Sarah is S. The sum of their age is 48. So, D plus S is equal to 48. These are not standard things, D or S. Anything we can write like X and Y also we can write for this. Anything we can write. So just to mention D as then to make it easy, we are taking D and S. So these are the variables. These are called variables. This can be any number. So for the unknown numbers, we are using those things. So actually, these are the equations we needed to find out. But we will solve. We want how old is Danny. So instead of this yes, we have to substitute yes value there. So we will find yes value first from this equation 1. What is the equation 1? D is equal to S minus 4 is the equation 1. So keep the S here only and put this minus 4 this side. So D plus 4. So what happens? S is equal to D plus 4. That is, so we got one value for S. So we have substituting this S to in the equation 2. So what happens? Here I will write D plus, instead of S, we are going to write D plus 4. That is equal to 48. That means we are substituting this value of S in the equation 2. So here we are having 2D plus 4 is equal to 48. What we can do now? 2D is equal to 48 minus 4, that is equal to 44. So D is equal to 44 divided by 2, that is 22. So that is the age of Danny. So what is the age of Danny? 22. So this is how we can find out the answer. But before that, we should know to derive the algebraic equation from the statement problem. That is what we are learning here. We'll see that. We will move to next question. The sum of two numbers is 189. The difference of them is 15. What are the two numbers? The sum of two numbers. Let us say the one number is x, the other number is y. In that sum of two numbers, we can say x plus y is equal to 189. The difference of them, that means x minus y or y minus x, anything we can take, is 15. What are the two numbers? Let us think this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. This is the equations required actually. Okay, now we will solve it. We can find out the answer also. We will just add this so that this y minus plus 1 and minus y minus y will be cancelled to 0, and x plus x is 2x is equal to 189 plus 15 is 204. X is equal to 204 divided by 2. That is equal to how many times? We can divide like 1 2s are 2 and this is 0 and this is 2. 1 or 2. Like this directly also we can divide. X is equal to 102. Then what is y? So let us substitute in first equation 1. X plus y is equal to 189 is the equation 1. Instead of x, we are going to put 102 plus y is equal to 189. So y is equal to 189 minus 102. That is equal to how much? 7. 9 minus 2 is 7. 8 minus 0 is 8. 1 minus 1 is 0. So 87. So y is equal to 87. So we got a x. One number is x, the other number is 87. So however, first we have to derive the equation from the statement problem. So that is how we have to do this. We'll move to next sum. The alligator was nearly 2 feet long. It grows a lot during its life. It is now 18 feet long. How much did it grow? At first, alligator was 2 feet. And we don't know how much it grew. Let us say that is x. And now it is 18. So this is the equation. That is the answer actually. How much did it grow? How much did it grow means x is equal to 18 minus 2. X is equal to 16. So 16 feet long it grew during its lifetime. When it born, it was only 2 feet long. Later on lifetime, it grown 16 feet long. So at first we have to derive the equation like this to find out the answer. Let's see another sum. Manish had 34 pieces of candy in his birthday party. He ate many pieces. If we have 25 now, how many pieces he ate? At first he had 34 pieces of candy. And how many he ate? We don't know that. So he ate, so that we are putting subtraction. Now he have 25. So next we can find answer. Later we can find the answer. So at first the thing is we have to deriving the equation from the given statement problem is what we are seeing now. Next, do it yourself. You have to derive equation from this given sum. Karan earned 4,000 by washing cars. He spent some of the money from that and now he have 2050 remaining. How much money did he spend? Next one. For annual day practice, half of the class children gone to practice. Only 13 children were sitting in the classroom. What is the total number of children in the class? So this one we can minus directly. 4,000 minus 2050, how much we can find out easily answer. But we need to derive the algebraic equation from the statement problem. Let me know your answers in comment. Thank you for watching, children.